Hello everyone. I am at IFC Mall in Central, and I wasn't expecting to see this on the mall because it's very unusual. I mean, it's really my first time to see a dog walking freely at the mall. So there's some dog owners brought their dogs at the mall, but they put it on a pram or they carry them. So this one, the couple really catches everyone's attention. This is very rare. And I was there to look for some flowers or view some flowers because IFC Mall had this really lovely arrangement of flowers on the hallway most of the time. So, but I end up like stalking. The dog is cute. It has a very like pinkish face. So there you go. There are some lovely flowers. So, and this is outside of the mall. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're having a good week. Enjoy the rest of the week. Consider subscribing if you want. Please consider subscribing if you want to hear more of me and see more of Hong Kong. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time.